So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can access or open Google's new AI video generator named Veo3. I'm on my mobile, but it works absolutely the same on your laptop too. So first of all, you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Keep in mind that this is the first step if you are on mobile. If you don't do this, you may not be going to access Google's Veo3. So after opening App Store or Play Store, go to this search button and tap in the search bar again. And right here, Google Chrome, and hit the search button. And when this Chrome browser appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your Google Chrome browser. If you do not use Google Chrome, you can go back and search here Safari and hit the search button. And if you use Safari, then you have to update your Safari browser. If your search browser is not up to date, you may not going to access Veo3. As my Safari is already up to date, so I'm gonna continue. So after updating Google Chrome, the final step is you have to open the Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, go to this search button and right here, flow.google, and hit the search button. And when this interface appears up, you have to tap on this button right here, which is Create with Flow. After that, this page will be opened and it will ask you to sign in with Google. So tap on this button right here. Now you have to choose your Google account, which you will use to create AI videos. As I'm already registered with this account, so it didn't ask me to write my password. When you will go with your email, it will ask for your password. After that, this main Veo3 interface will be opened and you will be able to give prompts here. And it will ask you to subscribe to its pro plan or paid plan before you create videos. So I've already created a video that how you can get this Veo3 for absolutely free. As you can see, I've already got this account for free, and you can also see this pro button right here. If I go to this new project here, I can simply give the prompt and it will generate the video for free. So if you want the free access to Google's Veo3, or you want the real comparison between Google's Veo3 and OpenAI's Sora, I've also created that video too. You can go watch out any video that you want. Both of them are now displaying in the end screens. I'll be waiting for you there.